to my YouTube channel, guys.
Susan? Emma? Eva! Yay! Support Marita Cebuala for her YouTube channel. She's very good and nice.
May 1 million ka ba?
Ngayon, guys, nandito kami sa Muskoka. Tapos, itutour ko kayo sa
Doon tayo sa Muskoka.
sa mga trees at sa lake at sa mga lulusob kami ng tubig.
Yes, mama. Exciting yan, ate.
Yeah. So, samahan niyo kami, guys. Sa amin.
Yung mga adventure to Cranberry.
Sa 11
Yay!
Maglalagay sila ng ano, ng park ng
So yun guys, kabababa lang namin sa bus. Ayan. So papasok na kami sa loob. Ang ganda ng view guys.
Madam, pati si Andre.
Ilalabas na ang mga ticket. Bago kami pumasok ay ano man ang ticket. So wala pa. Ito yung aming schedule guys.
Brother Rene, meron ka na?
Nag-ano na sila.
Si Ate Tess.
So yan guys, ang mga senior. Selfie sila guys. Tumakbo si Andre. So guys, maglalakad kami papuntang doon. Ang aming ano ba yung tawag dyan, Em? Wagon ay 11 pa lang. 11. So, ano pa lang ngayon? 10. Mayroon pa kaming 1 hour na mag-ikot-ikot. So, ikutin muna namin dito, guys.
Ang mga dahon, nagsilaglagan na.
Yeah.
Late po kasi kaming
Late na. So, yun. Ang mga senior nandoon pa.
ang shoes ko ay kape.
Siyempre yung dahon. So, doon kami guys papunta. Ayan. So guys, napakalawak ang farm na to guys.
Oh no!
Yan.
Sabi niya,
Maglakad kami. Punta doon.
Yung pinagpatong-patong na kahoy ay nabato dyan.
So yan guys. Tapos yan siya.
Ay, dapat dinala mo yun. Di ba sabi niya dalahin ang pampalit? Hindi. Mukha lang ba?
So dito na kami guys. Ganda.
Saan ninyo sa panggabi niya may mga Indian na yung mga bakso? Pero marami.
Madam,
So guys, sakay na kami sa wagon.
Maharap kayo dito sa likod.
So iikot kami dito sa buong farm. Pupunta kami sa Cambrai.
Now that's our cafe. The farm was started by Orville and June Johnson, and it is now run. Does the dog bother you guys?
Manday na kami
Bother you?
guys.
You're okay? So I can throw you off. But the farm was started by Orville and June Johnson and is now run by their son Murray and his wife Wendy. So they are in charge of the farm, absolutely wonderful people. Cranberries only grow in a very unique environment. They need a high acidic peat soil. They do grow. Secondly, we only farm about 3 or 4 different varieties. So but there are a variety of cranberries. If you open up a cranberry, you'll find 4 little air chambers in them. So once we use the water, because we don't use a lot of pesticides and chemicals, we can move it from one bog to the next bog, and we keep reusing that water over and over again. When we're done with it, so if you want to do that, check our website. It'll tell you what's going on and what condition the ice is in. So again, all these fields have already been harvested, and we got as many berries off as we could. So then people want to know, what do we do with cranberries? Most of us are familiar with cranberries with turkey dinner or in salads or whatever, but often they want to know about cranberry juice because they heard that it's really a healthy product, and it really is. So I got a call from Oprah Winfrey the other day, and she
So guys, dito naman yung tasting ng wine. So magte-tasting kami guys doon. Hindi pa naka-open. Yan na guys, sila. So guys, dito na kami. Nakaano. Ang lamig. Ayan guys. Alin?
Pag mag-ahon ka, videohan kita.
Oh, sige.
Mandag ata no. Doon na tayo sa karon,